create a simple architecture here, one user, and there is a one website hosted on one EC2 instance, and then it is interacting with RDS database. Or I want to show you like how to create a simple web architecture or in AWS. In multi-tier, same fundas will apply, and how those concepts will be applied. You need to divide your zone here. So this is one zone. So here in first zone you can assign your load balancer here. Then through load balancer you can put your public facing instances. Then in middle your business logic web instances, and then you can put in another tier your database. So those you can do, but here I am just going to explain a simple example of this architecture. Okay, and this is taken from AWS, so nothing has been done from my side, everything is from AWS as for standard. So first of all we need to create a VPC, so we can create a my VPC, simple. Okay. So this is a range. We can take here 24 also if we want. Then we need to select our subnet based on that, but we can easily select 16, so it will provide a broader range. So that is a 8 plus 8, so 8 plus 8, these two octet it will select. So this will remain network part, but for this from 0.0 to 0.0 to 256.256, basically there will be 5 reserved IP address, that is altogether different topic, but this will be our IP addresses range vary. So all resources within this range will be changing, and this CIDR range is very important. If you are new, then you need to read it, how to select a CIDR range and everything. So this is tenancy important. So first we will create our VPC, then we need to create our subnet. What is he saying? Yeah, he's saying that subnet, create subnet, and we can create this subnet. So this subnet we are going to create. Yes, VPC, we have created this VPC, and subnet we can create this one. Availability zone, we can put first availability zone here. This is the most important thing, 10.o.yes. So .o/16 is for our range, but now we can assign some IP address to our subnet, and this will be 24, because after 16 we have divided our subnet range into 2, 16 plus 6, 24. So 16 plus 8, 24, plus 8, 32. So that will be our range. So this is first IP address, we can verify it here. Yeah, so here given this one 24. So yes, and one more thing we need to do is enable public IP address for this. So go here, edit subnet settings, enable public IP, because this is our EC2 instance in first public subnet. Okay, done. Now what we need to do, we can create our route table, internet gateway, other things. So yes, subnet, then internet gateway. Internet gateway, what is internet gateway? You know very well, but just for in simple definition, internet gateway is basically a gateway for your cloud to interact with the outside world. So inside your VPC, anything can enter through internet gateway. That's it. Okay, so now go to internet gateway, and we can just give it a name, myIG. Okay. Okay. That's it. Now see. Okay, I don't have that multi-tier architecture diagram as of now. I can't show you how this route table works, but surely I have explained in another video, so you can check there. So through internet gateway, here inside this route table will sit. What route table will do? That route table will redirect this traffic. Redirect where? Wherever we will mention those. Like this internet gateway source and destination route table used to have, and in that source we can put internet gateway, whatever is coming from internet gateway. Where we need to redirect it, we need to redirect it in public subnet 1, so we can give the destination public subnet 1. So similarly we have to do, so we have created, now we need to create a route table. Route table we can create quickly. Okay, okay, create route VPC, same VPC where we are doing, this is our network where we are creating. Now in route table we need to subnet association. Let me check first, then we can do subnet association also we need to do. So yeah, see, this is direct subnet association, and then we need to assign that public subnet 1, so that this route table will redirect the traffic here. Okay, that's it. Now route, see, destination this one, so whatever is here in this route table, destination will be this, and target is local. Now what we need to do is edit route. Okay, routes, here we need to give a route. So this route, what it will include, it will include our internet gateway. See, this is our internet gateway. So here in middle our route table, and then this interaction will occur, and we can give internet gateway will be by default 00. You can read this, otherwise I'm just directly creating this. So this simple 00, we need to select internet gateway here. Okay, so okay, so we need to give our internet gateway ID. Let me check, we have created our internet gateway. Yes, this is, oh, so this is detached as of now, so we need to attach it to our VPC first, then only it will work, because we are redirecting traffic inside our VPC. Okay, table is this one. Subnet association, route association we have done. Okay, you can read this. Now we need to create a security group. We can create a security group here similar to this we for web server. We need to create a security group. Okay, so VPC, we need to select the VPC which we had created. Inbound rule, we need to add an inbound rule. So basically we are just taking the HTTP traffic here. So this is HTTP custom from anywhere. IP4 address, let me check if I am moving correct. Okay, it's HTTPS anywhere IP. This is, that's it. Great security. Now we need to create an EC2 instance. This EC2 instance will be keep here VPC. We need to select our VPC, my VPC. We need to select public subnet, correct. We need to select our security group, web server security group, and then nothing. Public one, security group, advanced detail. Okay, so we need to put our script here. This script is just for connecting the database. Can just wait, or that's okay. Meanwhile, once till the instance will be created, we will create another subnet that will be private subnet, because that will be created for this RDS instance 1, 2 and 3 also we need to create, because these days 3 subnet is required. So first we will create a private subnet 1. Okay, let me check if we got our EC2 instance. Okay, it is there. It is having public IP address, elastic IP address it doesn't have. Okay, till then we can create an instance VPC. This is not working. We need to check why it is not working. I need to check somewhere is there. Till then we can start our subnet creation, then we will resolve those errors. Should work, because I have already checked it, but let's see. There we will create a private subnet, so we will give this, and remember we need to give different availability zone here, so we can select 1B. Range we have taken one address already, we can give 2 and /24. Okay, and this is yes. Another subnet also we need to create, VPC, my VPC, subnet 2, 3, variable job. Now we can give this subnet. Basically we are creating in private, because I know there are requirement of 3 subnet. That's it. Create a security group for database. Okay, we'll create that. Okay, one thing we need to check, what we have done is our security group is fine or not. Yes, this security group VPC is should be our VPC. Yes, that is okay. then it is fine. Now we can do another security group creation. This security group will be database security group. Inbound rule we can give MySQL, because this is for here we need to give security group. Okay, we should have our security group. Okay, so security group are there. So we need to take our security group ID, we will take it. Instance security. It is saying two resources we have defined. So what we will do, we will create a security group again, and first of all add role, not in outbound, in inbound, custom custom security is not found. Okay. So security group is not correct. Okay, let me check what is the error. I will be back.